Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss class 5 mathematics chapter operations in numbers, and we are going to study its unit 1, which is adding large numbers. Let's begin with the learning outcomes of this unit. In this unit you will be able to add large numbers without regrouping and add large numbers with regrouping, adding 8-digit numbers without regrouping. Here, two 8-digit numbers are written in the international way. Here you can see by looking at the place value of the number: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions, and 10 millions. Similarly, commas are put after hundreds, then thousands. So here we are going to add two international 8-digit numbers. Let's start adding. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 5, again 7. 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 0 plus 6, 6. 5 1 plus 6. And 3 plus 2, 5. So here we can add 8-digit number in this way without regrouping, as it is written in the international system. So we also have to put comma with the answer in the international system. So how can we read this number in international system? It is 56,699,977. Now we are going to add 8-digit number with regrouping. Okay, again here two 8-digit numbers are written in international way. Here the commas are not put, so we can put the comma by our own over there. Okay, now we are going to add them. 4 plus 7, 11. So we write 1 here and we'll take 1 as a carry. Now we'll add the second column, tens column. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 0. We'll write 0 over here and then write 1s over here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 5 here. And then we will write 1 as a carry here. 1 carry here. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13, 3. Again 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 here, 1 carry here. Now we'll add 1 plus 6 equals to 7 and 7 plus 0 equals to 7. After this we'll add 5 plus 6, 11. 1 here and 1 as a carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. And we will put comma after hundreds place value and after 100,000 place value. So the number is 71,773,501. Can you add these 9-digit numbers? Here an example given for you. Hopefully you can solve it easily, and you have to put comma according to the international number system. Good luck and thank you.